It has been 2 weeks since Cody Bigsby's father reported the 4-year-old missing from his home in Hampton, and Cody is still missing. There is no sign of this child. And now we're learning from Chief Mark Talbot that mistakes were made by the lead detective when questioning Cody's father. Let's take a listen.
Mr. Bigsby made a statement that I believe was mishandled by the Hampton Police Division. He made a statement that indicated that he wanted to have legal counsel there with him. My assessment is that his desires should have been honored. They weren't.
Now, this is a stark contrast to statements the chief made just 10 days ago.
Mr. Bigsby is a 43-year-old man who's had a full career in the Army. He retired from a position of authority. He seems to be quite intelligent. He seems to be quite capable, and part of his capabilities seems to be understanding his rights. At no time did he request to see an attorney. Had he made such a request, we would have honored that request.
The chief was pretty emphatic back then, but the chief now saying he was working off of bad information. News 3's Angela Bohan joining us now live with the breaking details on this. And Angela, today's announcement is such a stunner.
Yes, now we don't know if this misstep from the police department will affect the investigation or the charges against Corey Bigsby. That determination will be up to the Commonwealth's attorney, but we do know police say they are continuing with this investigation, searching for little Cody, and their advice to the public who's been searching this whole time is to keep going. Now, police have said that over the weekend, that child's jacket that was found near their apartment at the Buckrow Apartments in the woods, the chief said they are still investigating that and cannot confirm whether it's Cody's. As for Cody's father, Corey Bigsby, he is still on jail on those 7 counts of child neglect. The chief says those charges stem from the interrogation before Bigsby asked for an attorney, and that the chief says that evidence is sound. But now we know the chief just learned Friday afternoon that Bigsby did indeed request legal counsel early Tuesday morning the week before. Police chief says that information came to light because of an internal audit, and that included having the department watch about 100 hours of interrogation video. Bigsby's attorney, Jeffrey Ambrose, says he's waiting to see those videos, but he did give credit to the Hampton PD for recognizing what happened and bringing it to light.
I am incredibly grateful and proud of our Hampton Police Division today, that they went and they reviewed all of those tapes on their own to make sure that there was nothing amiss, and that when something was, they immediately came forward and made it available to the public. I think says a lot about this police department.
Thorough audit that we've done.
Now, Police Chief Talbot confirms today that Mr. Bigsby is the only person they've found evidence against, and we know he was given a polygraph test. The chief said he cannot share the results of that test, but of course we will be keeping you updated with the very latest. In Hampton, Angela Bohan, News 3.
Angela, thank you so much. We do have a statement from the Hampton Commonwealth's attorney addressing the recent developments by saying, quote, "What I will tell you is we are aware of the situation and we are assessing the case and assessing all of the issues involved."